Door dashers, just to let you know, it's always safety first. And I know all over the Northeast and all over most of America, y'all are covered in ice, so don't get out there and endanger your life. It's not worth it. But the tips are good if you're in an area where it's reasonable and you have a proper vehicle like a four-wheel drive and you can handle it. People don't want to get out, so they will call you if there's any stores open. But to let y'all know, the first down here, remember, I'm in Florida. It's 81 degrees. The air conditioner's on. The only ice we have down here is in our beer coolers and in our daiquiris. With that being said, safety first. Don't drink and drive. I know, I'm suffering so badly here. Just love this weather. This is why I'm in Florida. Yep, that's right. We're boating down here. You enjoy your sledding up there. Have a good one, my beaches.